everybody and welcome to Brain Linker. I am Vishnu Radhanpura, who has been signing off in each and every previous video. Just kidding. But as the video title suggests, in this video I am going to discuss about introductory part of the Brain Linker. But before starting the actual explanation, I would like to thank each and every subscriber, each and every watcher for appreciating us, showing your love. Keep going, keep supporting us the way you have been. Recently, we have completed near about 1150 minutes and 50 subscriber mark. That's our first milestone as a YouTube channel. Another thing is, you might say I should have uploaded this video first, but frankly speaking, I never had a thought of the same.
Why the name Brain Linker?
When I made a channel, I had a thought to upload Java tutorials that are easy to understand and of basic level thoroughly, and more importantly, to teach Java concepts the way I have in my brain. So it's a kind of a link between my brain and yours. That's why the name Brain Linker. I know that it's something strange.
Let's take a look at the videos that I already have uploaded.
If you have visited Brain Linker previously, then you know that there are near about 21-22 videos divided in 3 playlists. Initially, I started making videos on core Java in Java programming playlist. Then I started making videos on advanced Java in advanced Java programming playlist. Recently, near about 1 or 2 weeks ago, I have also started Java tutorials in Hindi. Hence, the third playlist is for core Java tutorials in Hindi. I will also make 4th playlist and will name it as Advanced Java Programming Hindi, where I will upload advanced Java programming tutorials in Hindi. In Hindi tutorials, I will be using the same PPT that I have used in earlier English versions. The only difference is I will be speaking in Hindi instead of English.
What's on social media?
I have Facebook and Instagram page of my YouTube channel. Obviously, everyone who has YouTube channel has these two. But what's on them? On Instagram, I post some tricky questions of Java and later I will explain its answer. I will give link of both in description.
What's in the future?
Initially, I started making videos for the people who has some kind of basic knowledge in programming. But now I have a thought to make videos for others. Hence, I will try my best to make prerequisite videos on some of the topics like function calling and stuff, so that they can easily move to other playlists. So be ready, you will get more and more exciting stuff. If you haven't subscribed, then please press the subscribe button. If you like this video, then please press the like button. It will motivate me to make more and more videos. You can give your comments or suggestion in comment section. Goodbye.